anchored in values of openness, respect, compassion, a willingness to work.
We have the ideas for a better Canada, a smarter.
Canada needs effective leadership. We can usher in an era of prosperity, of opportunity, and of strength. We can face this future together, united by our common goal to make this country
We need to come together to solve these problems. I'm determined to make life better for Canadians.
Omar Khadri, you got more class than the whole fucking cabinet. Thank you.
So if you look at National Citizens Alliance, we've taken considerable effort in writing our policies, thinking about them, listening to public feedback. We have about 70 policies on our website at nationalcitizensalliance.ca. Please take a look at them, go through them, look at our platform, and compare it